What's up, what's up, what's up? We're starting up soon, everybody. Smash the like, subscribe. If you didn't panic yesterday, pat yourself on the back. You did well. Everybody was telling you to panic. It was over. But you found your way here. Congratulations. Starting up in just a minute. Hype up the stream, hype up the likes. Keep the chat rolling. Let's go.
Crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are you ready? I'm ready, baby. Let's go. Oh yeah, it's spicy. The music is not playing. I don't know. I can hear it. You guys remember, like, I don't know, it was like 2 weeks ago, I was dancing and apparently the music wasn't playing. It was really cringy. I'm glad I didn't just start dancing. I played the intro song and it just doesn't, I don't know. There we go. Is it playing? It is. Very loud in my ear, but there it is. Who knows? Let's go. Let's go, fam. It is Wednesday and it's time to lock in. How are you feeling? How you doing? Hopefully better than that intro I just botched. Great to be back. We are live again here for the who knows how many days in a row at this point, but we got to do what we got to do. The spice is here. The boys are here. Who found this channel this week? Who was here yesterday and found this channel this week? Saw all the other YouTubers, all the other titles, all the doom posts, all the it's good, bear market's over. Who saw that? What happened? What did we tell you right here? We told you, take a deep breath or relax. It's gonna be okay. Hopefully you made it through. Remember, in a bull market, or really even in a bear market, in any market, if you don't know what to do, if you're in a moment of anxiety and stress and pressure, and you feel like you have to do something in this moment, but you haven't planned out what that is, right? You just feel you have to take an action. When you feel that way, the best thing you can do is nothing at all. Just like sexy Ned Flanders, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Do nothing. Don't make decisions in a panic. You cannot be logical. You cannot think straight when you are emotionally triggered. Just finished Lifer. Now you're here. What's up, Unsung Villain? There's a lot of people streaming. There's a lot of spice today. I thank you. I know you have a choice in your streaming pleasures. And I'm glad you've chosen the Tom Crown channel. Welcome. Welcome back. Man. How'd that sentiment go? The last 2 days versus right now. And all it took was a little candle. A little bit of green. So we've got some good news. We've got some not as great news. All the news is good, but yeah, we've got some not as great news and some good news. Here's let's look at the chart for Bitcoin. We'll jump into the alts. We'll jump into the chat. What's up, Queen? Grow a pair. That's right. You tell them. What's up, Nyatic Nata? How you doing? Arrow, Crypto Arrow, Relaxation and Meditation Channel, Free Will, World of Wonders, Kato. I see a lot of fam here. I've got good news and bad news. Let me real quick run through just some base stuff. Still following this projection. I do not see a reason to stop following it. Yesterday's daily did close below it, but I think we can hang on to this is still a higher low. And so it really still does fit what we're looking for here. All of this scary price action, all the spooky moves here, really still shaping up exactly like we thought it would since November, really. What we noticed on this channel is into October, while we were very bullish, we noticed that price action looked virtually identical to last year. Let's look back quick. We had a 6-month period of nothing. We popped up almost the exact same time we did this year in October, and we began this. We began this last year. Who remembers this? This was brutal. Higher highs, higher lows, just the choppiest, least rewarding, least feel-good price action really ever that I've ever seen in many years after all that time doing nothing. So this mirrored what we saw this year, and we just placed that on the chart here. It looks a little bit different, but for the most part, it is remarkably similar. So we have been following this. If we see a lower low, I'll say this is bunk. This is invalid. Really what I take away from this is that same channel painting, lows coming up, we consolidate, we break out to a higher high, and just like last year, we see a retracement. I think that this is very likely. If we trade below, we can call it 91, November's low, even December 5th's low, we'll throw this away. But for now, I think things are shaping up very well, and I think that we are exactly where we need to be. I don't think that there's a reason to be very worried. For some reason, this chart's upside down. Let's reorient here. This is from yesterday. We did place some shorts, and those shorts got wrecked. I told you I wouldn't take them. I wasn't looking to take them. Let's look at these daily candles. Let's look at what's going on here. So acknowledge that these shorts got wrecked. I'm sorry. I said if you're bearish, you could look to take these shorts. I'm not. I'm not bearish. I'm not taking them. Our yikes zone, 94.2. We did not break it yesterday. We pushed through our low time frame resistance. We pushed through major resistances here. Remember, we were talking about this zone, 97-ish thousand. We have so much here. This was the important area for bulls to retake, in my opinion. Looking at the month, there it is, monthly back to green. Trading and closing above 96.4, whatever. Our monthly opened at back to green, baby. Back to green in just one day. Look at our weekly. A lot of you getting panicked. A lot of people, it's not your fault. People want you to panic because they want your clicks. They want your fear. They know if you're afraid, even if it's bad for you, even if it results in you losing, they want that click. We don't go that way. This week looked very bad. Monday, Tuesday, now look at it. All of that spookiness disappearing in this thin little white wick below us. Tesla, by the way, literally just hit all-time high. I might need to interrupt this a little bit here. Tesla literally at all-time high. Let's just throw that up. That's happening right now. This second, I just got the alert. Boom. Boom. There she blows. Whew. Whoa, Nelly. I mean, this is not surprising to me with what's going on in January. Elon Musk's closeness to the new president coming in. Well, I guess new again? Not a new president. He was president before. New again, we'll say. I have another really solid trade on here. I want to find this bad boy. There it is. Let's fucking go, fam. We went long on this channel on Tesla on that terrible product showcase back in October. Only up, baby. On a stock. Almost 100% on a stock. Let's go. We banged this one. We don't trade stocks here very often, but when we do, we bang them. Giggity. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Maybe not. Maybe so. Maybe not. You ever get that? You're about to sneeze. Wait. It's like the sneeze is listening to you. It's like if you think you're not sneezing, you're sneezing. All right, banger trade there. Tesla, even bigger banger trade here from October. We got to take a look at this. We'll go back to the coin. We'll go back to altcoins. Of course, this show, not about Tesla, but it is about charts. And we do find that charts in general all behave in similar ways. And that's how we can apply analysis to them. Wait, let me add Tesla to the title. That's real sneaky. Tesla. Let's just throw it in the front. Should we throw in the front? Tesla, all-time high. You did it. Let's go. Live Bitcoin trading. There we go. You did it. That's sneaky of me. There we are. That's all-time high right there. Beautiful. Actually, I do want to check this out, and we'll go right back to the corn. It interrupted us. So here we are. Tesla trading at the highest point, breaking past 2021's high right now in real time as you are on this channel with me. Let's take a look and let's apply some of that similar analysis that I was just talking about. We do this in crypto all the time. When a coin breaks its all-time high, we use a very specific tool. That is the Fib tool, the Fibonacci extension and retracement tool. It's on TradingView. It's free. If you don't know how to use it, that's okay. Just kind of follow with me, try to get the idea of it. We have a beautiful, wonderful video in our free trading course in this channel on the Fib tool, so check that out then too. So we're going to take it and we're going to connect the highest point in price to the next lowest point in price before that highest point was broken. So from 414 down to 101, that is a big big retracement for a stock. 75%. In fact, that's pretty much the retracement Bitcoin saw from 2021 down to 23. So once we do that, we're going to get rid of a lot of this because this is older. This is probably pre-split stuff, actually. Yep. Pre-splits. Let's use that same analysis and we're going to look upward. I think that's a good target. This seems crazy to me. Tesla already seems pretty overvalued, but it doesn't really matter. We are in bizarro world when it comes to stocks and valuations right now. I think the core of all of this right now is that people really don't know where value is. I think we've gotten so wrapped up in profit margins and in cutting pennies and abusing whatever systems we can that I don't think we really know how to value things anymore when it comes to stocks. Stocks seem so disconnected from reality, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Maybe it never mattered. Maybe the things we used to value these never mattered and we all just kind of played along with them. That could happen. That could be true. So since Tesla has broken its all-time high, provided it doesn't giga nuke down right now, which is always possible, we're going to look upwards. The 1618 sits at $1,000, and this is not a crazy target. If our bull market globally continues, that could be a very juicy target. However, we have a psychological value in the way, sitting at $500, which is 20%-ish from price right now. We could see a move to that psychological level and then a pullback to Tesla's all-time high that it's at right now before making that move. There are many ways that this could play out. This would be much better for anyone looking for a position because you may be able to enter at the previous resistance, now being tested as support in this scenario at 414. I would feel better seeing 500 then 414 than market ordering here right now. I think that is much higher risk. Tesla absolutely blowing the chart away, kind of stealing a little bit of the spotlight. That's okay. We got to share the spotlight sometimes. I don't even think it's done rallying for today. I'm going to put another alert higher and we are going to go back to the corn. I'm going to turn the music back on. Ooh, that is loud. There we go. Just some chillin' tunes. Is that right? Was that the one I had on? Yeah. There we go. There we go. How's the audio? How's the volume? Tesla at all-time high. Very, very, very spicy. But what is Bitcoin doing? Those timestamps are going to be ridiculous. Oh, well. Oh, well. So here we were on the weekend. This is the important sauce. I'm ADD. You just got to stay with me. You just got to bear with me sometime. Good G. Thank you, Pickle. My guy. Shout out to Pickle. We were right here before Tesla rudely interrupted us with an all-time high. We will update on that again in this episode. However, let's finish here. And somehow I remember where I was. So these weekly candles were so spooky. Today is Wednesday. We're on the third day of this 7-day week. And for the first 2 days, this looked like crap. It was very easy to scare people for this chart. Our red candle was all the way down here, remember? On Monday, wasn't it Monday? 94.2. Tuesday didn't give us much more. We really hung out at that level. Look at how much this has changed. This is why I said both days in a row, don't count this weekly candle yet. It is too new. It is too fresh. And really whatever we're seeing here is likely what we're supposed to see. I'll take the tinfoil hat off. So we did the month. We're looking at the week and the month in just one day, and not even a whole day, have flipped. Here's our yikes level, our monthly open right here, our weekly level right here, 97,259 retaken. We're back at 100K right now. We had a upside target of 101. I talked about. I don't think that we're going lower. I think we're going back to the 100, around 100, 101, specifically 101.1. This is our weekly open. This is the last level, really. We have broken through. We have moved past all of these kind of spooky levels, and in one swoop, taking that liquidity moved back up. The weekly, still sitting here on the red dot. This might suggest that we need to, that we still haven't gotten out of danger. We might have to retake 101.1. We might even have to move towards 104 to eliminate this slowing down of momentum. And it might just happen. This is looking great. Let's go down to the day, boys. Oh, actually, really quick. There it is. There it is on the week. hanging out at the top of the bands. We looked at this yesterday and said, this is bullish. You just got to hang out up here. Remaining in that uptrend according to the Bollinger Bands. Beautiful. In fact, maybe 103. 103. Put us back on the top band. Give us that green candle. And let's just Giga send it into the new year. I mean, that is very, very possible right now. Yesterday's daily close kind of bringing that home. Very ugly. Closing under the 20-day. Closing just under our guide, our projection, our blueprint, right? Yesterday might have been the fake out. Yesterday might have been the fake out. We got almost a double bottom on our lows. We closed lower. That close bringing us under the 20 daily, a significant moving average by every count. Here we are, back up. Where have we even hit today? Exactly to 1011. God damn. Of course. The daily shaping up here though. VWAP rocketing in, coming to that zero line money flow, showing no weakness, and now momentum. Maybe painting a higher low here, looking to give us that extra little bump. Little bumpy bump. The bump. Beautiful. Obviously closing 1011 is going to be the target here today. Going to be the target. Going to be a hard ask. I think we could see as low as 98.7 kind of intraday. But I want to see this up here. I want to see a higher close. I want to retake this weekly and daily level sitting right here. Because if we do, there is nothing in front of us. There is nothing here, my friends. You get above 1011 and you go to a new all-time high, in my opinion. 104, I think, is unlikely to have any real resistance. If we get above 101, we have taken the resistance back, and I think we're looking for new highs. I think that is not a stretch of a... It's not a stretch of a call. We're gonna get into alts. Don't worry, fam. I'm watching. Here we go. Let's look at this. So I think a close above 101 is going to whip out our fib tool yet again. Let's look at our targets up here. Our 1618 and our 2. Right up here, boys. How does 112 to 117 sound? Interesting. Interesting. Follow me here. 117 is the measured move. What is this? What is this here? What is on our projection? 120K into the close of 2025, but maybe realistically early Jan 2025. 120K. It's interesting that that lines up pretty well with our measured move here, and there was no way we could have known that before it happened. Before we actually got that whipsaw. That's spicy. What's up, the Broken Tables podcast? I see your super chat, my friend. Thank you for the $2, but let me get through this intro. 12-hour momentum coming back up. RSI really is kind of the squeaker for me. It's kind of the thing I need to see resolved here. We keep seeing lower highs on RSI, which isn't the end of the world, but we haven't seen this really run. So you could interpret that as it has a lot of fuel to the upside, or that actually that selling pressure is more meaningful than I think it is. Both are completely rational ways to look at that. You know what? Let's throw up LuxAlgo signals and overlays. It's been a little bit. I haven't thrown that up here. LuxAlgo, our sponsor. They are the #1 indicator company in the world. Still bullish. Still in an uptrend on the day, says Lux. In fact, Lux taking that long at 95.8. Not bad at all. This is signals and overlays. I do have a video on the channel as well. How to use this indicator. It's a great one. You can sign up with LuxAlgo, get a free trial. A risk-free trial using my link. Okay, going down to the low time frames. Let's peep. 4-hour beautiful extension here. This double bottom, our yikes level. Our yikes level. Looking very good. Looking very, very good. Who remembers our TA from yesterday, this hourly order block? Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. We didn't get to see this unfold live. Right to resistance. Boom. Tested that order block. And now right to resistance. Sometimes TA is that easy. Doesn't have to be difficult. Just support, resistance. One, then the other. It's not always that easy. What's going on here? Hour, 1-to-1. There we go. Back out. I love it. I love it, man. This looks good AF. On the 4, we are 3-ish hours into this 4-hour. We've hit 101. We might be chilling here. That might be good. We'll see what this hour has in store for us. But that might be good. It might give us time to look at other stuff today. Money flow rolling over on the 1 hour. Momentum really pushing up there. That's going to be a close call. That's going to be a close call. What do you guys think? What do you think? Ooh, 15-minute looking hella bullish, though. Ooh, got bullish divergence right here on this low momentum. Coming up, twisting, VWAP up, money flow up. This is a definite, what's the word? This is very contrasting to yesterday and the day before. Yesterday and the day before, the low time frames just always looked like shit every time I looked at them. Today, they're actually looking pretty decent. You can see that divergence right here on this low across many time frames. So 5, 10, 15. Oops. 30. It's even there in the 30. It's not there on the hour. So on almost every minute time frame, we are seeing that upside pressure. This is starting to look like a higher low. We will find out. I think that is a good intro. This is a solid intro. We have a lot of coins to look at today. I know a lot of you sitting there. I haven't looked at the chat. I'm about to. But I know a lot of you sitting there are probably saying, Tom, XRP. What about XRP? What about XRP? What about Tesla? Tesla just hit an all-time high. Let's see. All-time high. I'm going to change the title, I guess, because no one cares about Tesla. Let's put XRP, Tesla, live Bitcoin trading. There we go. We're just going to change the title around a lot today. I know a lot of you probably wondering what's happening with XRP, and I would have to tell you, it's doing exactly what we thought it would do, exactly how we planned this out, mapped it out. For those of you tuning in for the first time, guys, I am not always right. There are periods where a lot of my calls are right at the same time. We're in one of those periods now, but do not be disillusioned. I am wrong. I get things wrong. Do not blindly follow me. Just like every other human, every other analyst, every other streamer, YouTuber, whatever, we're all wrong. And anyone who refuses to admit that is probably scamming. Anyway, XRP was definitely one of our big hits. We'll jump into this one in just a second. I think we've got more though. What else do we have that's slapping? What else do we have that's slapping? Crow? Crow? A crow. A crow. We have a lot of trades there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait. Yep. And the bug. We have the bug there. We'll have to look at crow later. Solana. We got a lot of updates. We got a lot of updates to look at. But who's here? Let me get to the chat. I was in the zone. Thank you for putting up with me. I don't know how long that was. I lost track of time. I see people subscribing anyway. I appreciate you. When you subscribe, you'll see this number right here. It will update in real time. Very exciting. I'll shout you out. Your name will appear up at the top. Looks like we've had a few already. What's up, Hater Allers? 𝐂𝐴 Martinez, Margin, Thorbeck, a new generation. Oh, those are from a while ago. Weird. Weird. I see you, boys. I see ya. What's up? How you feeling? We have a poll going. Please answer. We have 500 votes here. Are you new to crypto? It is wild how many people have been in this chat this week that are new to crypto. I love it. That is who we need to get to. We need to get to these people first so we can help them. Are you new to crypto? Are you not new to crypto, but just new to the channel? See, look, new to crypto, only 12% today. On Monday, it was 20. Yesterday, it was 15. Looks like that number's coming down a little bit. Interesting. And then, of course, we got our OGs. We got people who don't know. But yeah, whatever. Vote in this poll. Let's get some good numbers. If you are new to the channel or to crypto, let us know in chat. Let me say hello to you. Let me welcome you to our club. I don't get why you get few viewers. While that dude is 90% about himself, 10% on topic gets more. I don't know, Noir Games. We, sometimes our streams hit, sometimes they don't, brother. Just the way it is, you know? YouTube is a zero-sum game in many ways. There's only so many viewers. There's only so many new viewers. I don't know. It's okay. We got a lot of good viewers. We have so many subscribers. Not many channels, if any, out-subscribe us. Pound for pound, we're a heavy hitter. What's up, Zhao? Been with you since the thick of the bear? Hello. Which one? We've been through more than one. We've been live through 2 bear markets now, complete bear markets. What's up, Flash, Sammo Army, Paper Boys, Peanut? What's up, Gabe? Am I winning, son? Yeah, I'm winning. I think so. Channel still outpacing Bitcoin. That's the big thing. We started this channel in 2019, and we beat Bitcoin to 100K. Looks like we're going to beat Bitcoin to 150K. We're going to hit 150K subscribers in the next month and a half, easy. I think we're going to beat Bitcoin there with your help. Cluck, cluck, Chicken Pollo. How you doing, brother? Drop an elbow on the chat. Drop it. Looking jacked. I'm on the juice. I'm not on the juice, brother. Taking creatine, protein. I'm working out every day. It's the only thing keeping me off them nicotine vapings. This is day, I don't know, like 18, something like that. It's been a while. I'm doing it for me, but I'm doing it with your help and encouragement, and I appreciate that. It is not an easy thing. Ponky says no name. Ponk says Jin. Is Ponk moving? We'll look at Ponk probably. You still want to trade Tom Crown subs on Polymarket? All right, Dave Kane. Give it a try. See, let me know. Let me know. That's a bullish number. 𝐂𝐴𝐲, what's up, brother? What's up, my friends? Let's see who else is here. 2MT Peter. Let's get these names bigger here. Whoa, that lagged the crap out of my computer. Why can't I? There we go. There we go. Who's here? 2 Mitter Peter. How you doing, man? Ace of Hearts, Aiden Chan, Alchemist, Almighty Zeus, Armin, Arslan, Bad Saf, what's up, brother? Blue Mountain Fire, Brazileria Coloco. How you doing? Brian Gabaco, Bullish Mike, Brian Weldrick, CJ, Chip Off the Old Blockchain, Coca-Cola, Crypto Pollo, Crypto Cajun, DI, Dave Kane, Dave Kahn one. What's up, David Brum? Shout out Does It Matter to You? Shout out Duncan Dan. Shout out Eric Carlson. Shout out Fabio. What's up, brother? Look at TEZOS. Shout out Fata Wu. Shout out Gabe. Shout out Greg Shavchuk. Javito Balgavis. What's up, man? Hawkeye. 𝐂𝐴𝐲. Ha giggity. Yeah, that's funny. Jaden. Johnner, how you doing, man? John Baumler. Jin. Jordan Allen. Jin was one of my favorite characters in League of Legends. Joshua Valdemar. Kevin VG. Kevin is awake. 𝐂𝐴𝐲 Brokey. Kevin VG. Kingpin Crypto, Creamy Goodness, Left Field, Line Trash, Long Mountain, Magnus Larson, Memoon Big, Map of Success, great name, great name. What's up, Matthew Schmid, my man? Maybe Band-Aid, Mr. Stark, Mr. Days, Modisar Zahur, Nate Dog, Nefreet, Noir Games, No Name, Novocaine, One with Nature, Osman, Paper Boys, Patrick, PD Holder. We got a lot of people here. Hype up the chat, my friends. Vote in the poll. Hit the like button. Put a message in the live chat. Share it out. Subscribe. The more we do this, the more YouTube shows this to new people. We get more names up here. Randy, Romanian Pipple, Roro, RS Miller. What's up, boys? See, we got a lot of viewers. Ryan Olganey. You know, we don't have fake viewers. That's really what it is. A lot of channels have a lot of fake viewers. We got real viewers. You can tell. They're chatting. Skids Up. Sony Little Tree, Sin, T-Slack, T-Friend, Termy. The Goonie, Broken Tables Podcast, Tillin, Pickle, Tim Boat, Tonzi, Ty Fox, Umar, Watoshi, X Supercar. How you doing, brother? You looked at, what did we look at yesterday for you? Super chat for something. It's on the tip of my tongue. Zhao AI, Zoltan, what's up, my friends? What is up? And anyone else I missed, give me a tick here. Let's return everything to a normal size. There we are. Boom. We got all the boys. Look at all these chatters. See, here's the thing. We might have 800 viewers, right? But look at all these chatters. You go to a room that has like 4,000 viewers and you'll see not as many chatters. Because a lot of YouTube traffic is fake. A lot of internet traffic is fake, period. Anyway, check out Evernode's Zao, maybe. Creeping on 101K? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bud. Yeah, we are. We're creeping. Crapping. Up to 101K. You did it. Let's go. Oh, change the name. No more changing of the names. Good glasses. Thank you, Pajator. My friend, are you ready? Are you guys ready? Because we're about to hit 101K again. I think we're going to go higher. Do you think we're going higher? Put a 1 in chat if you think we're going higher here. We're breaking 101.1K today. That gives us our next upside target, 104K. I think that's going to be like paper. It's going to be a hot knife through butter. We're going right through it. That's what I think. Orca coin on Soul, Ryan? Perhaps. Perhaps. You be calling me. I see ones. The vape is harder to quit than dope. Wait, what kind of dope? Weed is easy to quit. But if you mean something else, you're right. You're right. Oh, so many ones in chat. Rip that bong, bros. Rip it. Zero says 𝐂𝐴𝐺, that's okay. You don't have to be bullish here. Just so you guys know. I'm bullish. I'm pretty much always going to be bullish. Been on YouTube almost 6 years. I've been bullish the whole way through. You do not have to be. Do not be bullish just because I am bullish. But if you want to have a little bull party together, we can do that. That's fine. That's okay too. You think so? I think so. Here's the thing, fam. Even if it doesn't happen today, it's inevitable. It's coming. By the end of the year, I absolutely believe we'll have a higher high on Bitcoin. Into Q1, absolutely. Whatever that higher high is this month, I think we'll have a higher high next month, into January. Bitcoin is not done. I think Bitcoin's going minimum 170K this cycle. We have another year left of this bull run, and we're going to have another year of you going on YouTube and seeing nothing but scary, panicky clickbait, bear market, bull market's over, sell all your coins, bullshit. That's going to get you wrecked, and that's why you tune in right here. That's why you found us. Ripping and blazing, that's right, my friend. Feed off each other's energy. Yes, we are going to echo chamber a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. Echo chambers are everywhere. They're just a fact of human life now. It's not like a thing we have to avoid all the time. You just have to exist outside them as well, right? Turbo just got listed on Coinbase. Well, my friend. Speaking of Turbo, you know me. I'm humble. I don't like to flex. Dude, look how many charts I have up. Look how many charts. Too many charts. I feel like if I close one of these tabs, it'll close all of them. I don't want to do that. Let's see. Jasmine, where's Turbo? So we have some gloating to do of actually about a few charts here. While Bitcoin gives us a little time. It's weird because you'd think I would be out of charts to gloat about. You'd think I'd be out of them. Placed on Monday. Let's go. Who traded Turbo? Anybody? Who traded Turbo? Placed Monday. Look at the banger. If you saw this trade on Monday, if you were here on Monday and saw this, and now you're seeing it played out after that time, smash a like, put it in chat, subscribe, join us. This is what we do. On Monday, literally, we looked at this. I said 1 cent. Looks like a great entry here. I was like, this chart is a little weirder. It's a little less confident to me than many others we've looked at. But something told me, it was a combination of believing that Bitcoin had put its low in for the week, and then the test up here, the retest of 1.3 cents. That was the majority of it. 1 cent was a very juicy resistance. We've seen it reject from there, even recently. December 4th, rejected. Continued its climb, blasted through, largely ignoring that resistance. Came back to test it. Let's go. Well done if you traded this. You banged it. In just 3 days, that was a 32% gain. 32% gain. Let's go. And honestly, it probably isn't even done. It's probably not even done because that is a new all-time high for Turbo. We have a little more analysis to do here. I've been waiting for it to hit 5 cents, and out of transparency, I own a little bit of Turbo, but like not enough to make shit up. Not enough to like shill it. I probably have $500 of it. Who knows what that's worth now? Maybe 1,000. Not enough for me to actually care. Let's be real. So we have a little updating to do. Since we have broken the all-time high here, we're going to use our fib tool again. You've seen us use it many times this episode. 1618, 2 measured move. Man, they are right here. That's just further confluence. Wow. I have incredibly high confidence that Turbo is moving to 2 cents. I still believe it's going to make that move up to 5 cents by peak bull run, but I would not enter Turbo right now thinking that's going to happen soon. No. This is what I think is going to happen. Over the next few weeks, probably into the end of the year, we'll see Turbo move up to 2 cents. Hopefully, you get a beautiful retracement back to 1 cent where you can enter, and then you look to move higher. If it overshoots 2 cents in a rally, likely going to 3.3, back to 2, and then that will be likely the entry at 2. This is going to be an interesting play. If you didn't load up on this, if you didn't already have a position, I'll be honest, it's kind of too late. It's a little too late. I would not look to market order here at an all-time high, hoping to get 2 cents. Like, yeah, it's possible, but that is going to be a much higher risk play than you need to take. We have been hitting these plays all days. Why do I have two things of this? These plays all days, they all just hit this week. Limit orders filled, entries filled, and this is the game that you're going to play over the next year. Things are going to go up and up and up, and you're going to want to chase them. You're going to market order in, and then they're going to drop. Or you can join this community, do as we do, and look for those solid entries. As price goes up, we know that this is not forever. Price doesn't just go up. It always retraces, especially when it feels like it's not going to, when it never will. And what we do is we target those major supports and we look to enter. And sometimes they don't fill. Sometimes they don't fill, and that's okay. You just have to move on, fight a different battle. And when they do, you get the beautiful entries. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Turbo's monthly now. Amazing. 3 candle bullish setup above previous resistance, man. This is geared. Easy 2 cents in my opinion. Time, I don't know. I don't know how long that'll take, but still, 2 cents seems like a very reasonable target. What's up, Daddy Jersey, my friend? Welcome. Thanks for subscribing. I see you. Don't love saying your name, but I appreciate you. Good to have you. For those of you just tuning in, if you subscribe while we're live, your name will pop up there. This number will roll over, and I will shout you out. I want to know. I want to see you guys. Let me pull the chat back up. We've got more gloating to do. Gloating's not my thing, but dude, we just hit so many trades. Speaking of hitting so many trades, who's here for dog? When Crypto Dan, crypto recruiter on Crypto Capital Venture, that's his YouTube. When he was in the chat, asked for Doge. We set this up for him, what, yesterday? The day before? Was it Monday? Look at this sniper. Again, I'm not always right, fam. I'm human. I'm flawed. But we hit a lot of trades recently. I'm glad that new people have kind of jumped back into the space on this time to see successful trades, because we preach safety, we preach risk management, we preach trading the right way, and this is the place you need. This is the information you need to be successful. Let's look at dog again. This is actually an all-time high for dog. Dog hit 1 penny. That was our TP from 7077. Oh no. What the hell? 0075 was our entry here. Let's look at this. This was a 32% gain, risking 11% drawdown. 32% gain in 2 days. That is very similar, honestly, to our turbo trade, isn't it? 32% or something. 32. Weird. They're both 32%. I don't know. I didn't do that purposely. That's not intentional. Very strange. But since we've broken all-time high, just like turbo, it is time to, again, use that fib tool. Now, this hasn't changed much. Our targets are still the same ones that I told Crypto Capital Venture on YouTube. My friend Dan, same thing. There's no bias here in our analysis. You know, I'm going to get rid of this lost long here because this is very old. But market, see, I'm not always right. I get you wrong. Do not blindly follow me. Using our same analysis, we keep it unbiased. There's no favoritism here. It's just look at the high, look at the low, look at the extensions. Boom. 2.8 cents, 5.4 cents. I like to round to 5 cents usually when targets are like 5.5. I like to just hit 5. That's personal choice. These are both very achievable. These are both very reasonable goals. I think that this is only a 2-something billion market cap. There's only a 5-something billion market cap. That is very achievable. It's only currently at a $1 billion market cap, and it's not on any exchange. Too much, like no tier 1 exchange. I own some dog, so you know, take what I say with a little grain of salt. Know that I have some bias because I have some skin in the game. But man, here we go. If you missed the entry, this is going to be another one of those where I really don't think market ordering in right now is a good idea. I think you'll end up buying a local top. I think the next few days it will consolidate before it looks to make that break. Keep an eye on it. This is a good chart. It's a strong chart. There may be a discount. Here's my issue though, is our entry. If this price comes back, I'm no longer confident in this trade. Like, I don't want to see 0075 come back. This would not be good. It can still hold a higher low. It can paint like this, and that would be all right. But anything below, let's even say 006, this is kind of cooked for the short term. So keep an eye on dog, all the dogs. This the reason I bought this one, guys, is because it's on Bitcoin. It's like a Bitcoin ordinal, I don't know, BRC20 or whatever it's called. That's the only reason I got it. Dog coin on Bitcoin, that's it. It's the only reason. Not much of a meme coiner myself. So well done, anyone who took that trade. I feel like we have so much more flexing to do. Current plan. We've closed this connection. Oh, because I have 8 pages of charts open. Can I close this one? Watch, it's going to close them all. I knew it. Lissai. Close them all. 1 sec. And it's lagging the crap out of my computer. By the way, guys, I ordered a new computer from NZXT, a pre-built. It was supposed to ship Monday. It has not shipped. They have not given me an updated shipping date. Pretty annoying. They better fix this shit quick, or I certainly will never order from them again. Let's see. We looked at Turbo. These are all going to load real slow now. Oh, wow. Yeah. We looked at Turbo. Wonderful trade. We'll come back to this maybe when it pulls back. Look for another one. Dog. Beautiful trade. Same diff. We'll come back to it if it pulls back. Let's take a look at some other charts here. We'll take some requests. TEZOS for Fabio. Here you are, man. TEZOS is still doing what it's been doing. Higher low. I think it's going to get a strong bounce. It's going to break that level, brother. Quick and juicy. Quick and easy. DEGEN. People are looking at this. I don't know, man. Just 1 penny. Who knows? Who knows? What do we got? Caspa. Caspa was a big request yesterday. Holy shit, this is loading so slow. There we are. And it's ruined these again, hasn't it? Yep. It's ruined my trades again. Trading View, your dick. Let's just put these in a box and hide them. There it is. We looked at Caspa, sir, it was yesterday, maybe? Was it yesterday? I've been having trouble saying yesterday. I don't know. Yesterday, boom. I think it was, boys. The entry at 15-ish cents, stop 14. That's a tight stop loss, 8.5%. Aiming for that 20-cent target. Cas currently in a bullish engulf today, looking good. Looking good here. You might get an entry like this, though. I could see that. If you're looking for an entry on Cas, I think 15.8, you're likely to see some kind of shorter term pullback before that move to the upside. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm getting alerts. Getting alerts. Let me see. Getting too many alerts. Let's go back to the corn. Maybe we'll just put up XRP. XRP soaring. It's just soaring. Who here is an XRP fan? Put a 1 in chat. Giga is live on Coinbase. Yo, Coinbase is wild and out right now, aren't they? They are listing everything. They're listing just like a madman. They're listing. I think they really feel confident now with Trump coming into office. That's my hunch. I think their confidence has skyrocketed. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ponky is flying. We'll pull up Ponk. I got some Ponk because a very good friend of mine recommended it quite some time ago. Let me see. I'm closing a bunch of these charts. Hold up. Bear with me. ADA still looking good. Dude, why is there so many charts up? FTM off $1 looking very good. Let's go. MSTR still flagging out. That's nothing too special. Tesla has stopped. It hit a new all-time high while we were live. Pepe, we got some Pepe to look at. It's up again. Who's in the chat? You really need 32 GB for those open tabs. I have 32 GB. I have 64. But these tabs are like charts, man. Need Caspa on Coinbase, probably. Yeah, Ponk having a day. It's having a day. I wouldn't say it's flying yet, but it's having a day. We'll pull it up. I'm gonna need a new chart. Render, spam. All right, EM. Punk flying, velo. What's up, Kevin VG Grass? Let's go, fam. Hit the likes. Thank you, Brendan Carl. How you doing, man? Sorter, Jim spam. Here, you know what? There you go. Put user in timeout. Have a 5-minute timeout, Jim. There you go. There you go. Yeah, he was doing a lot of spamming. It's all right. Spam isn't the worst. Tesla 420. That's right, Derek Merrill, my friend. Algorand so far from the all-time high. You've been watching Algorand. All right, actually, Punk's weekly looks good. We'll go over there. Rip Bozo. Pickle. Let's see how this poll's going. 767 votes. 13% new to crypto. So definitely that number coming down. Who here right now? Raise your hand. Put a message in chat. Who here is new to crypto? Meaning maybe the last 2 months, 3 months you got into it. I'm curious. You're the people I want to connect with because we can save you here on this channel. Hello to you. Hey, what's up, Bad Fox? How you doing, girl? How you doing, girl? On YouTube, it is a sad reality that the majority of creators are just scammers or grifters. They're different. It's a whole spectrum. There are literal scammers and grifters. And then there's just a spectrum of things that creators are willing to do for money. I consider you a scammer or grifter if you essentially monetize the pain of your viewers, of your following. Meaning, if you make money when your viewers lose money, accepting money from projects to promote them, pump and dumps, rugs, what else? Promoting stuff like getting in on a pre-sale or like an ICO and then promoting it and then dumping it. Almost every channel on YouTube does something like that. There are exceptions, maybe 95% of them. So there are channels like us. There are others, but they are too far and few between, and new people end up finding them, and guess what? They don't have a good time in crypto. First time viewer, that's right, Coca-Cola, sure you are. They don't have a good time in crypto. They lose their money and they leave. And our goal is to keep you here, to keep you successful, to get you through this. You can. The worst things are going to be, honestly, is going to be creators following creators, and then just the straight up scams, meaning you join our Discord. By the way, join our Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. When you join, you're probably going to at some point get a message from an account with my name and my picture. That is not me. And they're going to ask you to send them money. You've heard of pig butchering scams. If you haven't, and you're in crypto, you need to look them up. You need to become familiar with them. They're incredibly common. I will never DM you and ask you about money on any platform. Neither will any other YouTuber or crypto public figure or anyone. No one will do that. The only people randomly DMing you saying, I have this opportunity, you'll make so much money, you just need to do that. Anyone doing that is scamming. And it's not a matter of if it'll happen, it will happen. It will happen. It probably has already happened. Once you enter this space, scammers, they smell blood, baby. 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 rug is crazy. Exactly. You know, you guys know I met her in person and she was chill. I liked her. I thought she had a good vibe. You guys want to know what I really think happened? What I think that whole thing was? If you guys want to know, I'll tell you. Alluded to your story, never heard it. To my story into crypto, I'd love to share it. I feel like I share it too often. Ooh, CoinsChick. Sharing a little membership. Thank you, CoinsChick. Appreciate you. I feel like I share it too often and I shouldn't share it so much, but I will. I can. Yeah. I can do that. What was I saying though? Talk to. Do you guys want to hear 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐿's story, or do you want to hear my origin? Put a 1 for 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐿, 2 for origin, and then put a 3 for neither. We'll get back to the charts. How's that sound? What's up, Innuendo? I see you subscribing, my friend. Welcome, Innuendo, to the club. Our freshest subscriber. You found the right place. Let me turn the tunes back on. 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2. Spam it, blast it, blast it, boys. 1 2 3s. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what the winner is. No idea what the winner is. Maybe we'll do all of them. The 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐿 story can be really quick. Doesn't have to be long. Doc Hollywood guy's fault. He's an idiot. So, Mr. Bobby Fresh, thank you for the input. Yeah, I don't even know who that guy is, but here you go. I met her in real life. people spamming the same number, that's okay, Aiden Chan, it doesn't matter. It's just for engagement. I love you guys, though. Keep engaging. Please. Never be discouraged from engagement. Engagement is what makes these streams perform. The more you engage, the more YouTube shows the stream, the more new people join us, the bigger we grow, the more people we can save. We can take them in our arms, wrap our arms around them, keep them safe in crypto. All right, I'll do 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 quick. So I met her in person in Texas at Karate Combat, and actually I quit vaping, but the reason I met her is because I vaped. This is not the worst story. First time viewer, what's up, Grayson? Good to have you, man. Is the best time to get in right now? You see it'll come right down. Let me circle back. We're talking about, first I was talking about scammers in crypto and how almost everyone is a scammer in crypto by some level. We are not. No scandals, baby. Almost 6 years full time in crypto. You can Google it. Google it up. Look, scour the internet. You'll never find anything. Nothing about me. Nobody has dirt on me because there's no dirt. But even 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭. All right, so I met her. I thought she was awesome. I met her very briefly at Karate Combat in Texas. The reason I met her is because the security at the Karate Combat thing was insanity. They had, I think people thought Trump was going to come there or something, but JFK was there, or Robert RFK was there, and a few other kind of like celebrity politic-y people, and so the security was insane, like insane. If you vape, you know, you can bring your vape pretty much anywhere on a plane. Like you can't use it, but you can bring it, right? So security would not let anyone in with a vape of any kind. They told you to throw it away. And you know, I didn't have a disposable vape. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? I'm throwing this away. It's like $100 thing. He's like, well, you could go hide it somewhere outside. And I was like, this is ridiculous. I almost left because that's how addicted to vaping I was. Anyway, so I ended up putting it in my Air Jordan, my Air Force One, and got in, no problem. So I'm in the VIP in the back, and 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 girl's there. This is like at her prime of popularity, honestly. This is like right after the 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 thing. Surrounded by people, just like whatever, surrounded by people. And I see this guy with her that I thought was Trader Main. I'd never seen him in real life, but this guy looked a lot like him. And so I walked over and I was like, yo, Trader Man, how do you know 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭? And he was just like, what? The guy, I guess, is like, maybe he's on Twitter, makes trading content, because he was like, yeah, I'm a trader guy. And I was like, no, Trader Main. And he was like, yeah. And I was like, he wasn't that guy. Anyway, we're chilling, and I have my vape, and like it somehow comes up, and I was like, yeah, I got my vape in. And he was like, what the hell? And he's like, can I hit it? And I was like, yeah, dude, sure. Because no one in this place had a vape. It was like the only vape. It was precious. And so he hit it, and he was like, yo, could 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 hit it? And I was like, yeah, of course. And so, like, I was like, can I give it to her? He's like, yeah. So I just walk over and I was like, yo, I heard you might want a vape. And she was like, oh my God, you're my favorite person. She's like, just stay by me all night. And she had a great vibe. We talked for a little bit. Like, dude, her energy was great. Here's what I think happened. She absolutely got taken advantage of. You see a lot of these celebrities come in. They don't know how to do these rug pulls. They don't know how to perform them. They don't know how to, like, I don't know, like sniper bot. They don't know this shit. There is a group of people dedicated, and I think that's Sahil guy or whatever. There's a group of people dedicated out there to soliciting people that are outside of crypto to launch these coins, and they tell them it's going to be safe, blah blah blah. You know, like it's not going to be bad. It's not a scam. And then those people scam. Those people rug it. Like the people that like set this all up for them, and you can see it. I don't know which ones exactly. But I would bet a whole Bitcoin that she did not like set out to do this. I bet like so much on it. She's just not the energy, man. Not the person. I'm telling you. She's like just a cute, bubbly little girl. Very good energy. Very good read. She got taken advantage of. It doesn't excuse her. It doesn't mean she has no, liability or that she shouldn't be punished. Like, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I guarantee that she was also a victim. Did she spit on that vape though? You know it, baby. Anyway, there's the 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 story. It's not very great. She won't give you that money back. I don't think she has it. That's what I'm at. So like, and again, I don't know, man. I don't know. This is my hunch. I've met her. This is my hunch. Again, even if my hunch is true, that doesn't mean she has no responsibility. I don't know, man. But she was backed into a corner on that space. She was like, she was just wrecked. Everybody was yelling at her. Everybody was mad. She doesn't seem like a girl who can take that energy very well. Get her on the channel so she can clear the air. Yeah, right. We'll see. Someone wanted to hear my story though. You guys still want to hear my story? She should sue her team. Yeah, dude, I agree. Like, there's a lot of things she needs to do. She's a skank. Coins check. She didn't seem like a skank. She had a great energy. You would have liked her. Honestly, if anyone who meets her, at least when I met her and didn't like her, there's something wrong with them. Dude, she was just all positive energy. Sell the vape. I still got it somewhere. I don't know. Sui chart. She has the 3rd biggest podcast on Spotify. Yeah, I feel like that's not real. You guys know that like at least half of all internet traffic is fake, right? Like easy. Even our channel, like there's literally no way that you can have any kind of social media and not have fake views, engagement, like just the internet. The internet's hollow. It's dead, bro. So my story, Randy. All right. We'll do my story. Let me tab through some charts first, see if anything's moving. Kaz, we just looked at Kaz. Let me just real quick. Kaz. Gala. If you were here Monday, Tuesday, Gala, that trade's still slapping. We are now up more than 20%. 28% from the high. Gala at 4.1 cents. Also, let me know, did anybody take this trade? Hell yeah. If you took this trade, well done. That was a really solid trade. What's up, Radar? Roofing LLC. I see you, bro. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the fam. Hopefully all the new people like you to our channel will subscribe and join us. Gala, good. Jasmine didn't hit our entry. That's okay. Did not hit our entry yet. Still could, but it's getting farther. BNB, if you were here on Monday or Tuesday, BNB placed in real time. 650. Sniper entry now at 705. L's to the yeah. We had so many solid trades hit. Like, I know people tuning in will be like, this guy's just showing us all his winners. Go back this week. Every single one of these was here or placed live in real time, and every single one basically has slapped. ADA from $1 or even 96 cents. We had 2 entries there. We're now at 108. Not quite the same growth as the others, about 16% up. Not quite the same. FTM giving us another shot. We did say this is probably another entry at $1 here. Now up 22% from $1. Let's go. There's been so many good trades, man. If any of you made any of these trades because your analysis lined up with it, pat yourself on the back. This shit's not easy. You're doing it. This is the hardest trading. You guys know cryptocurrency is the hardest trading in the world, hands down, right? If you succeed in this space, you have a talent. You are gifted. You are intelligent. And we want to help you foster that. That's what this community is all about. For 150 on Onda, where are we at now? 13% up. We were up about 20% from the entry. There it is. What's up, Lucas? Still looking good here. Still feeling confident in that trade. Ethereum. This is the sketchy one, bro. Ethereum really cutting it close. I'm going to tell my story. Don't worry. I just wanted to get a little chart content in. Ethereum back above entry, but this is the sketchiest of all of the entries we had. I hope it plays. I hope it plays. Yeesh. Dominance back up. Total. Pepe. I do want to look at Pepe. We had a trade on Pepe BTC, which so far so good. Kind of looks like we snagged the bottom again here, my friend. Looking for a 46% gain against Bitcoin. That might be too much to ask for. But that's the trade. There we are. Pepe versus BTC broke out of a flag, back tested it. Now we have a green candle. Our entry could have been a little lower, it looks like, but we're still sitting very pretty there. That was the logic for our USD pair entry yesterday. Let's go. 0.00023. Now it's 0.00025. That is about a 10% gain. About a 10% gain there. That trade's looking pretty good, actually. I think Pepe has new all-time highs in target. In sights. What do you guys think? Pepe new all-time highs? We have nailed this coin. I'm not a meme coin guy, but for some reason I cash in on them. I don't get it. I was absolutely the only person talking about Doge in like 2019 before it rallied. 2020 cashed in hard. Pepe I just ended up buying it randomly in 21, cashed in hard. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine as to how that happens. Maybe just because I got my finger on the pulse. All right. So my story. That is real. That's right, Lars. That is real. Let's update it. Update it. There we go. Auction off the TUAH vape. All right. All right. I think I need to like NFT it though, or she would need to sign it or something, right? The TUAH vape. I still have it. I definitely still have it. Crypto or nothing. That hawk. Ugh, man. You spat on that chart. I couldn't find the chart though. I kept finding other charts. Ugh. Okay, my story. So, I'm just a normal guy, man. I'm a millennial. I grew up the same as the majority of you out there in the sense of in that millennial mindset. As a kid, I was allowed to go outside all day by myself. There were no cell phones. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, that's not a good thing. I don't. Ooh. Hopefully we didn't just crash. It's this. God, hold up. It's because there are so many charts up. My computer cannot handle it. And this is a good computer. But oh, the browser just crashed. I gotta close so much. Hold up. Ooh. Hope we didn't lose connection. We very well could have. Very, very easily could have. Closing the tabs at lightning speed. There we go. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully I can recover, reload. We're back. We're back. All right. Doesn't look like we actually lost connection. It was just the browser. Cool, cool. Grew up just like you guys, or many of you. You know, no technology really. We were outside, and then yeah, at some point technology came along and changed everything. But I got that little taste of life before, and so I did what everyone did. I may have been not in the same position as a lot of you growing up. I was very poor. Grew up with just my mother. My dad wasn't in the picture. We did not make a lot of money. We rented like a row home in the city where I was definitely the minority white guy there. Like, did not grow up privileged in any way. So I did all the things that you guys did, or that we were told we were supposed to do. Go to school, get your degree, get a job, blah, 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 you know, American dream. And we were promised this, right? We were like, if you do this, you will have a successful life. If you do these things. So I did all those things. I got my degree. I have a 4-year degree. It was worthless. It was in political science. So you guys, if you're wondering, political science, worthless. I wasted 4 years of my life. It was a great time. I went to a great school, had a lot of fun, but you know, I just left school in debt. Couldn't get a job with my degree that I had paid 60, 80 grand for, probably like a lot of you. And so I did what I had to do. I went into sales. It was the only thing that was going to pay me. By the time I got out of college in like 2000, when was it? 2012 or something? Damn, it's been a long time. Been a while. By the time I got out of college, all the jobs were gone. Like the jobs just had dried up. There might have been like 1 year of good jobs. Like, oh, you're a white guy with a degree, you'll get a good job. Like that was gone. We got rugged hard on that. So I jumped into sales. I did all kinds of sales. Anything you can think of. I did cold sales. Is anyone familiar with your portraits getting taken on the beach? In Maryland, it's called scopes. But it's like you're on the beach. You have the right to be there. You pay for a permit, like the company. And you go down the beach family to family and you say, have you guys gotten your pictures taken on the beach yet? We do them right here, blah, blah, blah. It's great for the kids. You'll have fun. Blah, 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 blah. Did that for 2 years, like for a while, for years. Because sales was the only thing that paid me. Nothing else paid me. My degree was worthless. I was in debt. Eventually, I got into some more professional sales like HVAC, security, fire, construction, kind of just like gibberish stuff. And so I had a really good job with a big global company. I was making the first kind of good money I'd ever made, like maybe 70 grand. This was 6-7 years ago. I don't know. And I got laid off. Probably because the timing is a little suspicious. It is around when I learned about Bitcoin. This was probably like 8 years. Yeah, I was a little obsessed with it, but I got laid off. I couldn't find a sales job that paid me anywhere near what I was making, and I had unemployment. And it was the first time in my life, guys. A lot of you maybe have never even experienced this. It was the first time in my life from a child to a full-ass grown adult where I had time. for the first time in my life, because I went from school to school to school to school to job to job to job to job to job. I never had a moment to do anything. And so I finally did. I had 6 months to figure it out. And I said, what do I actually want to do? Right? What am I passionate about? Because it's not sales. It's not this shit. I don't care about this stuff. I just do it for money. And the answer was clear. I had found Bitcoin maybe like a year-ish before. And the answer was clear. Nothing had ever impacted my life like Bitcoin. I saw right away that Bitcoin was the future. Cryptocurrency was not going anywhere. It was only going to become a bigger part of the world. And it was my passion. It was my only passion. It was the only real truth in my life. Unfortunately, you can't apply to Bitcoin. So I said, what can I do? I guess I can make a YouTube channel and I can try to teach people and show people my passion, and I can try to help them because all the content I see is shit. And I said, I have 6 months. I started a computer programming course, and I said, if this doesn't work, I'm going to do computer programming. This worked out. Worked out. Here I am. That's my story. I went from the poorest person, like the poorest guy in my friend group, growing up, everything. I went from the guy who has the worst job, makes the least money, is like the poorest, to now all my friends think I'm rich. I'm not rich, fam. I'm not. I promise you, I'm not rich. I have changed my situation, my financial situation, with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in ways that I never, no matter how many years I worked, I never would have been able to do. Why is this not working? I worked for 10 years in sales making money. Could not change my financial situation. The thing that did was finding Bitcoin, making a plan, investing over time, and then doing largely nothing. That's it. Nothing was going to elevate me that way. And that is why I am now a spokesperson for Bitcoin, basically, for crypto. I try to get people into the space, try to help them stay safe when they're vulnerable in the beginning, because I want you guys to have that same experience. I want you to succeed. There it is. There's my origin story. I got a little mixed up there, crossed around, but close enough. That's what it is. You just hit the like button. Hell yeah, pool man. Hails to the air. Play outside, climb trees. I know, dude. I remember when I got my first Nintendo. You remind me of yourself. You know why, World of Wonders? Here's some real talk. Bring it in. The reason I do is because everyone here, everyone in this chat, all 142,000 people, every single one of us, we're all the same person. Yeah, we're not exactly the same, but we're all the same. We grew up in something I just described, some similar scenario I just described. You might have been a little better off. Maybe you're even worse off than me. I don't know. But we all saw this happen. We all did all the things we were supposed to. We all busted our ass. We took on debt, and guess what? We got rugged. We got rugged by society. Society lied to us. They said, this is all you have to do. It's not easy, but if you do it, you'll succeed. And then as we did it, they said, just kidding. They closed the doors, man. They closed the doors on us. We're here because we either know it or we are slowly realizing that this is it. This is the way to change your life. This is the way out of the cycle, out of the hole. And there's really no other way. I don't know. Maybe there is other ways, but like, I don't know what they are. I don't know. That's why we're here. That's why I remind you of me, because we all went through that. Some people on this channel are older, some are younger, and their experience is a little different, but it's just a different variation of that. This is the future. This is what can change your life. And I just do not see any other avenues. I see no other avenues that can do it. This is the way, Termy. This is the way, fam. I was trying to make this a little wider so I'm not off the screen, but instead I seemingly am hitting, there we go, every other direction. There it is. I got a little elbow room. That's it. That's why we're here. Welcome. If you're new, you found the right place. Let us help you, man. Let us help you. Everything's free here. We just want to help you succeed. Had a buddy who landed Citadel, got 300 a year, new grad. That's awesome, Aaron. Wonderful. You know, these stories, this is great. Like, kudos, props. I can't do anything. I don't know. I can't select shit. Kudos, props to that, right? But that is not a common story. That is not a story that like everyone can do, right? Props, awesome. But it just doesn't exist anymore. And so we had to find something else. We had to find something true. We grew up in a world where things were supposed to be definitively true and things operated in a certain way. And as we grew up and got older, we saw that literally nothing of what we knew was the way it was. Today, that's more true than ever. And it just keeps seemingly getting more true. This is truth. Bitcoin is truth. Math is truth. This is the first fucking truth that we have. We were sold such lies growing up. And I think they were well intentioned. I don't think it was like they were trying to, wreck us. They weren't, they didn't know better. But like we were just sold so much shit. And that's why people like us, people around this age, millennials, are attracted here. We're mostly millennials on this channel. It's okay, you don't have to be, but like mostly, because we're suffering. We're in that rut and we need somewhere to get out. We need somewhere to get out. What's up, Hula Bula Lol? What's up, my friend? Subscribing. Robo Cycle 25, Crypto Not M, and a bunch more. I don't know. It's not showing them all. Join us, fam. We're just like you. We're gonna help you through this. Mandalorian crown, Tony. Mandalorian. I love Star Wars, but I don't really know what that is. Gen X here, Justin. That's fine. You know what I'm saying though. Like this isn't exclusive to millennials, but it is like almost. It isn't exclusive to millennials, but it is almost every single millennial experienced that. That makes sense? Like it's not only millennials, but all millennials basically experienced it. That extends out Gen Z. I'm sure Gen X, Gen Z, I'm sure even generations older have experienced this. It is what it is, man. That's why we're here. What's up, Jerky Boys? Funny Clips Classic. Great name. We're here because this is going to change our lives. This changed my life. I never would have ever gotten where I am. I would have just remained poor. I was born poor. I would have died poor. Even though I worked hard, I did everything I could. I'm a smart guy, I think. Doesn't matter. The system's rigged. The system is not there for you to succeed. And that is why we have found a new system. A system that is unstoppable, immutable, invincible, immortal. We have found truth. For me, the first truth in my life that I'd ever experienced. And I was goddamn almost 30 or something. That's why we're here. You look at messier M8 monkey bones. I don't know what that is. Probably not. I love you, fam. I missed a lot of super chats already today. I do apologize on the super chats. It's hit or miss, man. There's no guarantee when you super chat. Let me see though. I will at least read them out. Broken Tables wanted to look at Titscoin right in the beginning of the stream. Thanks, Broken Table Podcast. I love you, bro. 𝐂𝐴𝐷 probably super chat just because he wanted me to say his name. Said what's up, bro. Ryan Oligarchy wanted to look at Orca Coin. I think you've asked for that before. You feel safe here. Amazing energy. Right on, Innuendo. I don't know if you're still here, but you are safe here. There are a lot of dangers in this space. It comes with money, man. Your loss. I guess so, Monkey Bones. All right, man. That's quite a comment. I see. Literally, you've only ever been here to ask about that. I give up. You even said your name and hello. You didn't read your 3 super chats. It shows that you only super chatted once. But you've only ever been here for that, man. My loss? I don't know, dude. You think your $2 is enough to make me like shill it in front of 1,000 people, bro? Get out of here. Like, come on, dude. What? I've been offered 50 grand to like shill coins during my life. Super chat is not a contract, brother. I appreciate them, but like I feel no obligation for your $2 to like, I don't know, look at whatever you want to look at. We got 1,000 people here. You think they want to look at it? Maybe. I don't know what the chart looks like. It might be good, but nah, not if your message history, dude. You're too entitled. Too entitled. Too much like I gave. You have to do this. Nah, bro. I'm the captain of this ship right here. We got a lot of first mates. Got a lot of people here. Got a lot of first mates. Got a lot of crew. But like, nah, dude. Nah, bruh. Nah. Let's see. What else can we look at today? I've just been in the zone, man. Just been in the zone, freaking going off. Hopping off. Whiff. We did put a whiff entry yesterday. Pretty spicy. 282. Up 7% from yesterday. I'll take it. Wick high at 10 or 11%. That was placed yesterday during the live. Well done. Anybody who is sniping that around. Coins. E&J bounce. Don't care. DOT. Dude, DOT is just so slow. Retested 750. Like, kind of bounce. This looks a lot like Ethereum. Can't lie. I don't love this chart, man. Do not love the DOT chart. Save and close. ORDI. See where we're at. We placed a trade on ORDI too, I think. Money. Dude, the trades this week are fire. Inevitably, they'll all be not on fire, but for right now, we are on fire, my friends. ORDI trade filled. 32, now at 36. That bounce is not convincing yet. Definitely need to see more upside. More energy on that. Calling me, baby. VETT, VeChain, any VeChainers? 5.18 cents from Monday. Let's go. Let's actually go. Let's go. We've nailed these, man. Mr. Giggles and Brett. All right, I'll pull up Brett. Pepe climbing. Yeah, dude, we already looked at Pepe. Pepe looking very good. The PEPE looking incredibly good. The Peepsters, I think we're going for new all-time highs. I think you were asking about Brett yesterday, bro, so I'll pull it up because I'm curious. Super chat ain't a contract, buddy. You're a G, bro. Thank you, Geekmyth. You're a G. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, fam. Yeah, dude, sometimes you just got to keep them in line, you know? You just got to crack that whip. I'm just in a mood. I'm in a mood, dude. Know what it is, honestly? It's going to the gym right before I stream. Just puts me in a mood. A good mood. But it puts me in a mood, bro. Like, not down to take shit. Not too worried about what people are thinking at any given time. Yeah. You know what I mean. I deadlifted today, so I'm like extra, like, grr. Extra grr. Let's see. We got some very fired trades on Brett, but these were months and months old. So old. These are from all the way back in June of this year. Brett did break all-time highs, not on Poloniex, but I guess on maybe MEXC it did. Somewhere else it did. We have not placed a new trade on it as we haven't placed a new trade on it since like October. Where would we look? This is kind of meh. Let's see. Close the monthly under. All right. We probably missed the entry on this. Okay. Close the month right up there at 20 cents. I think we might have missed it. 15.6. Yeah. If only we had looked at this yesterday. Though, honestly, there was probably an entry on every coin yesterday. Realistically. If you see 15.6 on Brett again, I think you can play that to 20. Yeah, like a 2.5, 2.6 to 1. I don't know if you get it. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to come back down for it in the shorter term. And if you do see a move up and then it comes back here, probably not a good entry. So a little sketchier for me. I don't think I would take it. If I had taken it yesterday, sure. Take that to 20. There's Brett. What's up, Innuendo? Becoming a member. I see you. You know, we have a lot of people here. A lot of good people here. We haven't had that many new subscribers. It's interesting. On Monday, we had 750 new subscribers during the live. Let's see. We have 15% new people to crypto. So 150-ish just voting on this poll. That's not bad. If you guys could keep voting on that poll, make sure you've liked and subscribed. Join the Discord. There's Michael Ozgawix. What's up, bro? What's up, my friend? Peanut Paperboys, you're still asking about Peanut. All right, I'll pull it up. Bitcoin and I are soulmates, love at first sight. Same, Marty. We're in a poly relationship with Bitcoin. You, me, and everyone else here. Near INJ. He was one of the new subscribers. That's right. Why do we? Do. Make some money on Bitcoin today. That's right, Dave Watson. Yeah, we had 750 Monday and then like 500 yesterday. And today, I mean, maybe we're going to hit 200. The hype was absolutely maxed out Monday, which is wild. Wild. It was maxed out, and Bitcoin wasn't even really doing anything. Wasn't even moving. What was I just gonna look at? I looked at something and I was like, yeah, I'll pull that up. PNUT. I said I would look at PNUT for you. There's probably not gonna be much to say. I'd never take this trade, and I didn't, and I shouldn't, and I couldn't. Yeah, this looks like shit, bro. PNUT looks like shit. Surprise that this, you know, maybe not a great long-term hold, right? Seems like things have shifted around. Surprise, maybe not a great long-term hold. It could look worse. Like, it could look worse. If this weekly closes green, you're likely going back to like 180. When we first looked at this, we had no data. We really could not do analysis on it. Now we have a little bit more. I don't love it. I don't love it, but I'll do this. So $1 would have been good. Let's see. Oh my God. Whenever I'm like almost 2 hours into the stream, I get such a nicotine craving. It's something, bro. $1. If it comes $1, that's how I would take it. This is a knife, man. There's no support here. This is just hopium fueling this. Tight stop under like 90 cents. Entry at $1. TP at 180. You just don't have anything underneath this until 14 cents. So no matter where you decide to long this, it's a knife. I don't like knives, man. Not a knife guy. I'm a guns guy, not a knife guy. Yeah, this is just, there's just not a lot to do with it. It hit an all-time high. It's been weak since. Like $1 to $1.80. I think that play could happen. But you're catching a knife. The risk here is much higher than you need to take at the moment, in my opinion. Bitcoin looking very good here. We might get a breakout during the stream. We might actually trade above 101 and might head to 104 during the live, man. When weight of my deadlift, and oh, dude, I'm just nursing it back. I had a knee injury, and so I didn't do any like big lifts. I didn't do like squats or deadlifts for a while, and so I just started back in. Dude, I was doing like 135, just doing form, like 135, not worrying about it, not doing it. Who's here? Ah, man, what's up, brothers? What's up? Who else is here? Who joined recently? For some reason, you remind me of Cartman, bro. Yeah, me and I'm a South Park kid, brother. I do love South Park. Grew up on that. What's up, Blue Sky? How you doing? Who else is here? Who else is new? Who else is here? What's good? I'll get it back up, Lee. I got long arms, so. Hit your vape, K-Jam? No, brother, I quit. I have not touched a vape. Well, I mean, I've touched a vape. I have not ingested nicotine now for 18 days. Coming up on 21 days. It'll be 3 weeks on Saturday or Friday, something like that. No way. No way. No more vaping. What do I think about the whole AI agent thing, Todd? What do you mean? AI agent? Like ChatGPT? Stopped smoking 20 years ago. Hold on. Oh, it's not easy, my friends. Let's go, Shrink Tech. What's up, Miles? Check out Feg. Do you ask every day for Feg? Is this you every day? This is you every day. Feg. Pepe, feg. Gorilla Feg. You know what? Have I ever pulled it up? I don't even remember. Dext. It's not. No, I guess not. Here you go. I pulled it up for you. Illiquid. It looks very illiquid on Mexi. Those wicks are very, very bad. This chart does not look very good, my friend. What are you looking at? I mean, I guess your argument could be, well, it's not very far off. It's low. It's held the lows here. You're looking for a retracement. Sure. That's that logical-ish. This is a higher low. It's held. I don't know. Here you go. Now you don't need to spam it all the time. There you are. There you go. Yeah, not very. I guess I can see it. I'm not buying this. Well, there you go. Feg. There it is. For you. Done. Because you've asked over and over and over again. Because you're here. You're putting in the work. You're doing it. Where's your sour D's coin? I'll take some of that. Massive hit at DMT will sort those cravings. Bet it will. Bet it will. Actually, unrelated, got some of the old fungus before I decided to quit. Yeah, I'll do it on New Year's or something. I don't know when I'm going to do it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Espresso emergency downstairs. And check core. You know what? Sushi. I haven't looked at sushi, and it's probably you. Let's see if it's you asking every day. Where is it? Baby Doge short term? I don't know, dude. Uncle Fester. I do love that name. I appreciate it. Nah, it isn't you every day. Okay, so it's other people. Interesting. We'll look at sush. At the sushster. While we wait for the corn to start ripping. I have not opened this chart since 2023, says TradingView. So, who knows what we're about to find. Let's see. Yeesht. Yeesht. Huh, some of the levels are still on. All right, all right. Still got some levels here. That's okay. Let's update this chart a little bit. That there. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. I remember when people were hype AF on this coin. On the Sushter. Traded to $24 all the way down. Man, it went below its like initial price in 2020. That's not great. 44 cents. Wow. Wow. Okay. So here's where we're at. You've traded above 188. That's good. You're at 216 on the Sushter. What is all this? That's when I looked at it last year. Clean that up later. Okay, I don't hate this. So a lot of coins had their entries yesterday and they may be gone, but I could see this 189, 190 if you took that yesterday or the day before. Certainly back to like 265. That could be done. 40% gain. I think you'd want to aim a little higher though. 350 from 190. Take that as like more of a swing trade. More of a scalp, just right back to that daily resistance right there. We'll tighten this one up. There it is. I can see that. There you go. There you go. Pretty much everything was at entry yesterday. That's why there's so many fire charts for us to enjoy today. Bitcoin about to break through. Making the moves. Amanita changed your life. What's that, Robert Smith? Amanita. Amanita. What's up? What's up, Drew? Taking your lunch break? Welcome, Drew. Your picks are so bad. That's all right. We all pick bad picks. Every 2 months, you like some streams? I'm more of like once a year kind of guy. It's been like 2 years though. Maybe 3 years. I'm like a once a year man, but I haven't been. Not quite as much. I'm waiting for corn to break out. We can see the viewership kind of flatlining, trending down here as Bitcoin edges us to the maximum. Testing our patience here. Making us wait. What's up, 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍? What do you think about Aerial? I can pull it up. People have been asking about it. Microdose every day. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Aero Gala Amp. Any entries now? Then that's the problem. When the entries come, man. Once they come, they all come together, and then what? You're just chasing stuff up. Gala, man, perfect TA, perfect entry. Amazing. If you were here Monday, you would have absolutely been able to snipe that. You guys, we are live here Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 p.m. East. However, we are kind of live all the time now as the market's been hot. You want to tune in every day. Set notifications. Remember, put it in your calendar. Join 1 p.m. East. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but pretty much every day. You can join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Great way to keep up with our lives. You'll catch these trades earlier. instead of in hindsight. That gala was perfect. Only as perfect as our XRP trade, which has been a schlappen. I haven't looked at Arrow, but I'll look at Arrow. We have been live an hour and 40 minutes. That's not bad. We were live a lot yesterday. Son of a bitch. All right, I'm just going to start deleting the ones that TradingView screws up. It's okay. Serenity now. Serenity now. Okay, let us update this chart because this is old Arrow for the boys. The Arrow boys. Bum, 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 bum. Nice. I have like just enough horizontals here. There we are. Arrow almost back to all-time high. Let's go. Okay, climbing, closed last month higher than its all-time high close. Made that reach for 237. All right. Looks good. Looks pretty good. Let's... There we are. We got it mapped out, man. I see why you're looking at it. Okay. $2. That was probably the scalp entry. I would honestly feel more comfortable at 144. I don't like this. I don't like the idea of entering at 2 here. Do it like that. If you already had a position in this, you'd be much better off. I don't like the idea. I don't like how close it is to all-time high, how little it's retraced there for an entry. Not necessarily like, you know, the chart, I'm not saying as a coin or whatever, but like you're so close to that all-time high, you haven't had a real retracement. If we hit 144, things could look a little different. You can see this is major resistance for quite some time there. Oh wait, is it quite some time or is that just a few months? Either way, major resistance here at 144. You broke through, you went to the all-time high, you didn't break through. So what are you doing? You're either bumping and running and you're going to a new all-time high, you start moving towards 5, or you might get that retracement before you run. And that would be such a better value entry at 144 versus like 212 right now. I would rather wait. Certainly not bearish on this coin. And as always, these entries, they look like they'll never fill when we place them. Just like XRP looked like it would never fill when we placed it at like almost $3. Like Gala would never fill when we placed it at like 20 cents. Or this is not Gala, this is Cass. When Gala was at like 6 cents, it filled. This one's not a good example. BNB, whatever. They look like they're not going to fill. They don't always fill. But when they do, they offer you such better entries than just chasing price up. And we always practice. We always preach. Here we go. Let's fucking go. We always preach it. Be patient. Make the market come to you. Don't move to the market. But there's no time to even think about it or talk about it. Bitcoin pushing up here as expected. Let's go, boys. Hype it up. Holy smokes. This may be it. This may be it. Let's fucking go. 101, 163. I told you right as soon. I told you guys. I saw the viewership start to flatline and stagnate, sell off a little. And I said, Bitcoin waiting to just edge you out till you stop paying attention. There it is. Let's go. That was like within 5-10 minutes of saying that. Let's fucking go. 101. This is the level. This is it. Break this. Take this back. And all we have is the all-time high. This is it. Look at this. On the day. Right there. Boom. 101. 170. From Sunday. You go to the week. You go to the week. We got the green week. Remember how scary this was? Remember everyone told you the bull market was canceled? Because the spooky red candle on the week. Back to green, baby. Monthly's green. Weekly's green. Daily's green. We have pushed through all of the levels that I was worried about. And here we are. Trading higher. A new intraday high. Targeting 104. Let's go. Targeting 104. There's nothing in between. I don't believe there's like any resistance. We just have to take 101. We have to close this today. We got a 4-hour coming in, closing in 15 minutes. I'd like to see that started off. Kick us off, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We waited. We kept the stream on. We kept it going so we could catch this live. You stayed here so you could catch this live. Hype it up. Hype it up. Oh my goodness. I gotta piss. I know you've asked for Orca. I know, brother. I'm sorry. Sorry. I have to go to the bathroom quick. Don't go anywhere. This is a great time to make sure you've subscribed. You've joined the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. You've liked the stream. Check out BYDFI, our new exchange partner. No KYC. They got so many pairs. So a lot of good stuff coming out. Great time to do that. Stream's not done. It's just starting even. As Bitcoin breaking to a new high here today, I'm going to go to the bathroom quick. I just gotta pee. For the OGs in here, you know it does like to pump when I go to the bathroom, so hold on. Be right back. Keep it hyping. Do not let the hype drop or it'll be your fault. Whoa.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
All right, I guess it decided to go nowhere. Fair enough. Thank you for the spams, Paz. I appreciate you. Keep it up. Keep it up. Put some emojis in chat. Bitcoin at 1012. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's see. Let us see. I can't believe we only got like to 900 viewers today. Interesting. Like 950. I thought we were going, I thought we were going to beat yesterday, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal. I'm just surprised, I guess. I thought today had more spice. I thought people would be more spicied. Seems they're a little less spicy. A little more mayoed. That's okay. We've done a lot of streaming lately. Honestly, it wouldn't be the end of the world if I didn't do a marathon multiple hour stream again. What's up, Trevor? How you doing, bro? Good to see you back. Appreciate you. What's up, Neefreet? Justin, good for us. No FOMO yet. It doesn't feel that way, does it? Does it? Am I a Tesla holder too, Brenny? Nah, I don't have stocks, but I certainly celebrate charts. And we had some banger trades on Tesla. So hopefully a bunch of people in here have some Tesla. So let's go. Beautiful. Look at this 2 hour. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Really shows it. Blasting. Moving higher. 1013 touch now. $200 above our 1011. Bulls fighting. Fighting for the level. Bears trying to keep her down. Will it be enough? Shwill it. Let's look at some random stats while we wait. Bitcoin pushing up here. Crypto fear and greed moved down a little bit from this week, a little bit. Weirdly small amount though. Weirdly small amount for those 2 red days, considering how spooked everyone was. It doesn't make sense. It has moved from extreme greed to regular greed though. It's a little upgrade. You are spiced up. Good stuff. Enjoy the gains. Thoughts on stable dominance? Stable dominance is just a weird metric to me. I don't understand why a stable dominance would be used over like Bitcoin dominance. You know what I mean? Funding on Bitcoin turning bullish here as we move up. Interesting. Interesting. We have been seeing funding be very, very high at 104K. Funding hit like 0.1 or 10 times the neutral rate. Hit very high. Hold up. Open interest is still climbing. I like that. I like that a lot. Just looking at some stuff here. Liquidation. What is interesting? What's up? I don't understand why people like kind of look at stable dominance when they could just look at Bitcoin dominance, total crypto market cap. It's like you're viewing the entire market through the lens of something that is very small percentage wise of the entire market. And I'm not sure the value of that versus looking at it through the bigger glasses, right? Hold up. Here these liquidations are. People seem really obsessed with it, but I think it's just people like looking for an edge that like doesn't really exist, and like they just like grasp on, they like cling on to it. Got some liquidations above us. There's not a huge, there's almost no liquidation. Damn. That wick took everything out. Look at this just empty brick of liquidations here. All the way down to 90K. There's almost nothing to be grabbed. Speaking of that, here I'll show you. I'll bring up stable. And usually when people say stable dominance, they really are only talking about Tether, which is also not all the stables. I remember when someone was telling me how bullish it was up here, and I said, honestly, man, I think we're going to not only lose this trend that we were in, I think we will come down to our macro trend on stables, and we will see lower. And that's exactly what happened. I actually haven't looked at this in a while. We have broken the major trend for USDT. The only thing you can really take from this is like what? Market's bullish? You've hit a lower low versus last year. You've broken all of your uptrends, man. I don't know. I feel like there isn't that much value to get out of this. But people really like it. I mean, let me know. What do you think? What do you guys think the value is? Who here thinks that that chart has a lot of value? And just let me know why. And, you know, I can put it into the brain computer. And we'll see if it computes. What's up, Rob? What's up, Red Dead 𝐒𝐿𝐵𝐿? What's up, bros? Good to have you guys here. Bitcoin on the verge. People clearly not watching the chart. Bitcoin on the verge of making its move to 104K. We've been looking for all week on this channel. It's on the verge, bro. Let's go. Probably waiting for me to end the stream. Let's be real. The second I end the stream, it'll make the move. If you're brand new to crypto, would you suggest the most important keys to learn aren't necessarily trading, but to build knowledge and foundation of crypto in general? Trevor, easy answer. Just go research Bitcoin. Ignore trading, ignore whatever, just research Bitcoin. Understand where crypto came from, why Bitcoin was created, why it is a novel thing. You don't have to like only believe in Bitcoin. Though if you learn about it, you might end up feeling that way. I do. I think I think crypto is a big space. It has a lot of potential to fill things. But Bitcoin is really where all the horses are for me. Learn about Bitcoin, why it was made, what questions it answered, how it answered them, and how it answered them in a way that nothing else had ever answered questions before. That is where you start. I've never met a person who has done that and wasn't a believer after. Like, period. That's what I would do. Verge XVG, Pat. Ooh, you're a little, you're into pain, buddy. There's value, but just as confidence. Fair enough, Justin. I'll take that. XR, please. What's up, Alchemist Thomas Wise? When will Ethereum network fees go down, Ramiro? Where are they at? I haven't heard anyone complain about them in a while. I don't know. When there's not a lot of transactions going through, like that's always the answer. XR, please. This looks very bullish. XR, please looks very bullish. Flat top ascending lows. Just move into that 250-ish target. Today probably. Come on, Corn. 4 minutes to close this beautiful 2-hour candle. Can the bulls hold it up? Can we do it, fam? I think so. You can do it with your help. Your help meaning, I don't know, just hyping up the chat. Silent Fart, thank you for the 2 chiefs. The chief, appreciate you. Stablecoin dominance is 100% of the market. Bitcoin dominance is only... Stablecoin dominance is 100% of the market. Bitcoin dominance is only 50. Randy, I don't know what you're saying, brother. I don't know what you're saying here. But I appreciate you. Pro USD. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Here we are. 1,300 votes, about 17%. Interesting. Like, we have a similar amount of new crypto people here and new people to the channel. Yet it's quieter than the last 2 days. It's weird. It's okay, we're back. What's up, wine drinker? How you doing? I'll show you guys. It's weird. Hold up. This doesn't update, so it won't be that useful to you. I'll show you actually later in the week. Litecoin, meme in case. Please, Litecoin. Hold the line, bros. We got this. Can we check out AMP or Caspa? Cheers, man. We did look at Caspa. I think I pulled up AMP too. Bully Div's also looking at AMP. 2 people in a row looking at AMP. Those who know exactly, Shane. Hello, all. What's up, Matsu? Kenzie. Yes, that is the name Satoshi Nakamoto is. I mean, I guess we don't know if it was actually intended like that, but yeah, that is a way that you can get it. It is raining so hard. Why does Bitcoin flash crashed, Tom Crown? She hates lemon. What do you have against lemons? Why does it? To shake out new buys. To shake out weak hands, man. Bitcoin is only for those with conviction. That is why I just told Trevor the best way to start in crypto is to go research Bitcoin. It sounds weird. It's not to start trading. Go understand why there's value here. Go understand why every critic, every person who has ever called Bitcoin a scam, a Ponzi, or whatever, why those people are just talking out their ass. They have no idea what they're talking about. If you say those things about Bitcoin, it is because you fundamentally do not understand it, and that is because you haven't taken the time to, you don't care to, you just have an opinion on it because I guess that makes you a douchebag, or you're not intelligent enough to understand. Those are the only 2 things. I have never met a single human being who has done the research, looked into Bitcoin, understood what's under the hood, and been like, nah, that's nothing. That doesn't really sound like something, doesn't sound like something important. Doesn't sound like something big. Literally, not a single person. The problem is people don't take the time, or they're not smart enough. I don't know which it is. It is what it is. Peter Schiff. Oh, dude, I'll shit on Peter Schiff all day. But Peter Schiff is he's just a LARP. He's just a marketer. You better believe Peter Schiff owns Bitcoin. Like, he's just a marketing genius. Though his marketing genius has been basically at the cost of gold people and Bitcoin people hating each other. We used to be very close. When I started crypto, they were the same people, and Peter Schiff has divided them. But he's a LARP, dude. He's marketing. He owns Bitcoin. He's full of shit. He just gets so much fucking reach. When he craps on Bitcoin, he gets so much reach. He gets so many rage replies, retweets, big accounts, like blowing him up, dude. It's marketing. He's full of shit. Is it too late for a long? I mean, Top Care. Bitcoin had been kind of moving down all day, and now it's moving up. What do you usually want to long when it's been going up? Do you want to buy when it's up? Or do you want to buy when it's down? You want to sell when it's up or sell when it's down? That's up to you, dude. A long, like that implies leverage. I don't know. I probably wouldn't rip or leverage long here. If I was stacking spot, I don't know. It wouldn't make a big difference. I don't think that would matter much if I was looking at spot. Every situation is different. Dude, you don't know if you'll ever become a day trader? Don't become a day trader, man. Don't. Day trading is not what most people think it is. Day trading is not a job, bro. Day trading is not how you even get rich. Day trading is not how you get rich in crypto, for sure. Getting rich in crypto is stacking, buying over time, and waiting. Getting rich in crypto is like a formula that ends in multiplied by time squared or something. Day trading, I don't think day trading is a good idea at all. If you are a gambler, day trading is amazing because you can gamble constantly. Here we go. I don't even day trade. You see me day trade here, but it's just for content. I'm very honest, very open with that. It's because it's engaging content that I can do while we're live. Most of my trades, and certainly my best, most profitable trades, have taken place over months or years. People just LARP you. They're like, they just can control the narrative. I can control what you see on this content, on video, on stream. And I just sell you a basket of goods of, I always make money. I day trade all the time. You can do it too. Buy my course, use my links to sign up, blah, 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 pay for my Discord, you know, like all these things. And you're just the product. Those people probably aren't even trading. They're probably just full of shit. There are very few people out there that day trade as a job. Way, way, way less than it seems. And honestly, a lot of them that are even currently doing it haven't been doing it long enough to like be able to say this is sustainable. Like they started it in the last few months. Maybe they're doing well. To be able to day trade as a job, I think you'd want to have like almost a decade of non-day trading successfully, profitably under your belt. You need to see market cycles change. You can't just, oh, I've been day trading for 2 years. This is my favorite story I read on Reddit. I've been day trading for 2 years. I've been profitable. I'm going to go full time, blah, blah, blah. Dude, you've literally just traded in a bull market. Like you've traded when things just went up. You could have bought those assets, done nothing, and you would have been profitable. It's just like the pre-rect. Here we go. Bitcoin 1014. We made the call today. We're pushing through. We broke 101.175. I said this is the last resistance until, in my opinion, I think this is the last resistance. We got 104, the all-time high. We've been saying it all week as every other channel told you the bull run was over, that you should be scared. We've been saying it every day this week. The shit ain't over. Relax. Don't panic. Take a deep breath. Never make a decision in panic. And here we are. I said we're going back up into the hundreds this week. Already here, baby. We were there this morning, but I was saying it Monday and Tuesday. Boom. Here we are. We broke 101. That's it. That's it. We done. Weekly has flipped green after all this spookiness. Should I panic sell? Boom. This candle, now a beautiful bullish hammer heading back to the highs. Monthly green, flipped back green, was red just on Monday. On the day, we are now at the highest daily close ever. If we close here, that was it. That's why I was saying 101. This is the last resistance right here. Close above this, we're moving back to 104. We have 4 more hours left in the day. We could see this reject. It could fall back down. And we go back to the drawing board and basically we just have to wait longer. It's a beautiful 2-hour close. Smokers. Holy smokers. There might be a scalp here, actually. It's kind of a weird time frame, a weird confluence here. I like this. 100,400. Wonder if you could scalp this. I'm not taking this trade. That. We're just under 100 even. I kind of like it right here though. I don't like that. Might not fill, but I like this wick into this bullish fair value gap into the 3 candle setup into the continuation like that. That's not bad. That's not bad. We now have 492 viewers as our calls are coming true in real time. Bitcoin moving higher here. We've been waiting all stream for it. We've been going for quite some time. Let's get this off here. Boom. Moving higher, 1015. Nothing in our way, in my opinion, to 104K, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. That's weird. Why is this? My subscriber counter got all goofy. What? What? 142,492. What is going on with my UI here? I gotta mess with this later. With my dash, my setup here. It's acting weird. That's okay. Goes that light. Ah, there goes the light. $101,500. Let's go, baby. Just want to learn how to get rich. Trevor, I'm telling you, brother. Telling you the best way. Make a budget. See what money you have to invest. Invest that money over time into things you have conviction for. Hopefully, you take a look at Bitcoin. You see what I see, what lots of people see, and you have conviction for that. But if you don't have conviction, it's not going to work. Gotta have conviction. That's why I say start with Bitcoin. Learn what makes it special. Learn why it's revolutionary, why it is a world-changing idea from the moment it was incepted. That doesn't give you conviction, nothing will. Bitcoin doing very good, though. You know, I would love to sit here for the next hour, but we've been live every day this week. I think we're going to have to do what we do. We'll almost certainly be live tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. Probably. If we are, you should tune in, and even if we're not, you should tune in Friday. We definitely will be live. Also, next week, I think, 𝐒𝐴 for the FOMC, the coveted. This is the first FOMC that we'll be covering in 2 months because I was in Dubai for the last one. I know, I'm sorry. But we will make up for it. It's going to be a banger. You should join us. Gonna be a banger. No, wait, is Jason Casper still alive? Yeah, probably. Where is that guy? Let me see. He alive? Are you a lone wolf? You're a lone wolf. He is still alive. 2 hours ago. 2 hours. That's when we went live. Shout out to Jason Casper. I love that guy. I love that man. No homo, but a little bit of homo. I mean, no, I'm just playing. We're going to be live for the FOMC. That is the 18th. What is it now? The 11th. Yep. So 1 week from now, next Wednesday, we will be live. That's right. But we'll be live Friday, almost certainly tomorrow, especially if we keep rallying. Remember, fam, everyone was telling you to panic, and we told you to relax, take a breath, circle back. If you don't know what to do, doing nothing is often the best choice, especially in a bull run. Doing nothing can be highly, highly profitable. We've been live for like 2+ hours. It's time. You should join in Discord, though. The chat never ends. There are people there from all around the world nerding out talking about crypto. It's free. So what have you got to lose? If you sign up with any of the partners in the video description below, you'll get into our exclusive private rooms there. I recommend it. I'll see you in there. Bullish dreams, guys. We banged so many trades this week. Hell yeah. More to come. Make sure you tune in and catch our next stream. Keep looking up. 104,000 is coming. I'm telling you. Look for this close today. You get a close over 1011, 104 new all-time highs into the end of the year. And guess what? Guess what? It starts looking a lot like this.